Yes, the meeting is being recorded. So very good evening. Warm welcome to all of you to this another training session for our team. Okay, for some people, it's first Zoom session. Great. All right. So how many of you are here for this training session for the first time? Can you just type first time? How many of you are here for the training for the first time in our team, Mission $100 a day? Oh, so many people. Great. Good to see. Good to see the energy. Good to see the excitement. I'm sure all of you are excited to learn something new. So to all the first timers, let me give you the format of the training. So this training, live training, we do once in a 2 weeks, alternate Wednesday, once in fortnight, you can say. And so alternate Wednesday, this is going to be live session and where you have the opportunity to ask all your question and answer. The format for the session is I will be having one topic on which I'm going to provide training. That's going to be the topic of the day, and followed by we will have the question and answer session. So you can ask any of the queries. All right. But definitely the questions has to be very specific. I'm not getting sales. That is not the question. You understand? That is not the question. If that is your question, that means you are not working. So if you are working, you will have a specific questions, specific queries, that where you are facing the challenges, right? What step of the sales process you are not able to do, or what kind of queries somebody is asking you are not able to answer. So the question has to be specific, then only I'm going to answer. All right. You are not going to say you're not getting sales. That means you're not working properly. Simple. You have not undergone the training. You're not following the training process. That's why you're not getting sales. So there's no point of answering that questions. Hope it's very, very clear. So the question has to be specific. If you ask me a specific question, I will answer you. All right. So watch training videos, working hard from tomorrow, posting so much on FB, still did not get any leads. So you have just started, right? One day, isn't it? So definitely you need to polish yourself. If like some people you get quick results, some people it may get little delayed, but you will get. If you follow the process, you will get the result. All right. Now somebody is asking, please send me the coupon code. So what should I do? Shall I hold this training period right now and start sending the coupon code? This is not the place. If you are not following the process of getting coupon code, it will get delayed, right? There are people who are asking 2-3 times even after getting the coupon code. There are people who are not mentioning the sponsor name properly. So it's getting delayed because of that, right? So the process, I have shared the video how to get the coupon code. If you are not following the process, you keep sending me messages, I'll keep delaying it. Simple it is. It is very simple, because you do not respect my time, I'm not going to respect you. Right? It will take 2 to 3 days. I see people keep sending me messages. Their sponsor keep reminding me. You keep wasting my time, I keep delaying it. Simple it is. So if you're not following the process, I'm not going to help you. If you follow the process, I'm going to help you. So this is not the place to ask coupon code. There is a process for asking coupon code. You have to send me the private message, and that's the only option. I'm seeing people 3 o'clock, they're sending me message, and 4:30 they're putting in the group. 3 o'clock they've sent me message asking for coupon code. 4:30, they're 1.5 hours. They're putting in the group that I'm not getting the coupon code. That's how I'm getting the response. So this is, you keep doing that. It doesn't matter to me at all. I don't have to prove to anyone. All right. You follow the process. I follow the process. You follow the process. I'm going to help you. It's very, very simple. It shows how serious you are. All right. Anyway, so thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Let's get to the topic. Let's get to the training. Why we have come here. Okay. We have not come here to do all these things. We have come here to learn, and let's get it. This session is for that. And I do not want to kill the time for anything else. Anything else. So I continue getting the messages either in public and private right now also, that sir, I have sent you a message in this thing. So you tell me, what should I do now? Shall I stop the training and let's 1.5 hours I'll save? I'll use this 1.5 hours in sending the training coupon code. Shall I do that or shall I continue for the training right now? The start itself is like this. I'm seeing so many messages. What should I do? Mayank, have I started the question and answer session? See, we all are adult, right? We all are adult, isn't it? We all are civilized. We all are adult, right? We are not kids. We are not school kids. I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. Shall we start the training session? I've told you we will have the training session and then we will have question and answer session. I really don't know why you people are doing it. You're asking the questions. Your question is started. Now, what do you want me to do? Shall we go with the format or shall we? I really don't know. Let me stop the chat itself first thing. So this is what it is. The problem is that you people want to be treated like a school kids. That I have to put the you don't want me to keep the chat open so that somebody important can share at that point. You want me to police you in that way that let's disconnect completely so that nobody asks anything. That's how it is. All right. So I have closed the chat. That's how you wanted. Just a second. Ayan. Or you can switch on this fan. ये वाला fan भी और दे दिए पूछने के लिए सर. Yeah, sorry. So let's get back to our training. The training session for the day is payment gateways. That's the topic for the day. So before I get into that payment gateways, like what are the payment gateways you can use? All right. I will open the notepad also so that I keep the note and I will send to all of you so that you all are aware. But before that, I want to show something because I'm getting a lot of queries about getting the joining link that somebody is creating account under me, but sponsor showing somebody else. I'm getting a lot of messages like this. And and definitely, as I have already told you that I'm not going to support everyone in private message. So you might not be getting my response because that's how it is. It's not possible for me to give you personal support. My job is to educate you, train you, but you have to be resourceful. So any questions you have, put it in the group, let people answer you. That's how it will go. But anyway, I'm getting a lot of queries about that. So I thought, okay, this is the right platform for you, to teach you all so that those who are present here can learn. Those who are not present can learn from the recording, and those who, also you can teach your team members, right? So let me share my screen. So hope my screen is visible. I cannot open the chat also to check with you all. So let it be like this. So I have shared my screen. Let me pin my video. Yes, and I'm logging into $25 OneUp account. All right, so I was saying that many people have been giving me the complaint or sending messages a lot that, sir, I have given my link to my leads. He has created account using my link, but still the sponsor name is showing something else. That is the problem. All right. So why that problem happens, I tell you. First thing is that many people, when somebody tells you that I'm interested, I want to join, what link you should share? Many people sending some lead capture pages. Go to funnel pages. Yeah. So many people are sending that CP6, that lead capture page or that landing page to create the account. Please don't do that. Okay. If somebody tells you that I'm interested, I want to join under you, then you have to send the link for account creation. And what is the account creation link? Go to the funnel pages, go to your funnel pages, and in funnel pages, you have the second tab called landing pages. Go to your landing pages. Go to your landing page, and the last one you can see create account, joining. This is what you need to take the link. How to get the link? Open the arrow, click on the arrow, open the link in the new tab, and then copy it and save it somewhere, right? You should not go again and again, open it. One time you take it and save it in your Messenger, WhatsApp, everywhere, whatever the medium you're using, so that you can send this to anyone who tells you they're interested. So hope it's clear. You go to funnel pages, go to landing page, and the last one, which is create an account, that joining link, click on this arrow, open the link in the new tab and open it. You can do that, or another way I tell you, let me open the notepad so that so 8th. Okay, so joining link means account creation link. How to, this is very simple also. Either you can, as I told you, you can go, or what you have to do, just type HTTPS. This is the normal, any website which starts, okay. Then type $25 oneup.com/join/ and whatever your user ID is there, whatever your profile user ID, okay, that should be here. So my profile user ID is Online Wisdom with Ayaz. This will come here. Whatever your ID, suppose your ID is Aman Rajput, it will come Aman Rajput. That's it. Not your name, your ID, username which you give, your username or user ID. So when you go to your profile, if you don't know how to get your username, you can go to your profile and click here, go to my profile, and you can find my profile username. You can see here username on top. Go to my profile and you can go to username. This is how you can find username. So that username you type there, $25 oneup.com/join/ your username. That is for me, it is Online Wisdom with Ayaz. This is my username. Everyone will have your username. I told you how to find your username. So that's how you can find username, and this becomes your account creation link. So either you get it like this, you type it like this, or you get it from how I told you, right? This is your link. So whenever somebody tells you that I want to create account under you or I want to join you, first you have to make that person to create account under you, right? So for creating the account, this is your link. But even if you share this link, this doesn't guarantee that you will be the sponsor. How? I tell you, the whole affiliate marketing system on any single platform, whether it is ClickBank, whether it is Amazon, whether it is the Warrior Plus, JVZoo, on any system, affiliate system works based on cookies. Cookies are the most important thing for affiliate marketing system, right? For example, those who are Amazon affiliate, they know that Amazon cookies, I think it is for 60 days, right? 30 days or 60 days, I'm not sure. So even if it is 30 days, for example, if suppose somebody clicks on my Amazon affiliate link, the cookies is fed for 30 days. In next 30 days, whatever the purchase he does in Amazon, I will get the commission, whatever the product, provided he is not clearing his cookies. You understand? He's not clearing the cookies, then it will be there. So that's how affiliate system works. So for example, I'm your prospect, I'm your lead. All right. Today, like 2 days back, Aman Rajput approached me for the business. He sent me his link. I opened his link, but I did not create the account. I just opened. I did not create the account. But since I opened the link, his Aman Rajput link's cookies is fed in my browser. Clear? Now today, let's say suppose you are approaching me. Let's say Subhash Chabra is approaching me today. And now I'm interested to join under Subhash Chabra. I told Subhash Chabra, send me your link. I will create the account. Subhash Chabra given me the link. I opened on his link. I created the account. A sponsor name will show Aman Rajput. It will not show Subhash Chabra because the cookies of the previous one is fed in my system. This is what the problem you people are facing. So what you have to do when you give account creation, that's why it is clearly, people are not seeing this. That's why it is mentioned in the red font so that you don't miss it, right? When you give your link to anyone, you have to tell him that before filling up the form, before putting the details of registration form, scroll down and confirm the sponsor name. If you don't find my sponsor name, my name as your sponsor, please do not register, do not create account. That's why it is mentioned here, do not proceed if this is not your correct sponsor. You got it? Then you will say, I have paid hostings and then it is showing different sponsor. Before hosting, it was showing different. Now it is showing different. All these things because it is your problem. You have not guided your leads properly. You got it? So this is what it is. System is not the problem. The way you follow the process is the problem. Okay. So when you give this link to anyone, you have to ask the person to first scroll down, confirm the sponsor name. And if you see my name, then proceed. Otherwise, don't. Clear? Then only your correct sponsor name it will show. All right. So this is what I wanted to talk about because a lot of people are facing this problem about this sponsor name. In last 1 week, I've got so many messages about the same problem. And that's why I thought I will guide this in this session. All right. So that's it for this topic. Now let's move ahead for our topic of the day. Our topic of the day is different payment. Okay. So main topic of the day is what? Different payment gateways. Now here a lot of people are facing this problem, that this thing, that thing. Now how many of you are doing this business for more than 1 month, in this business and doesn't have international card? Can you tell me? Let me open the chat for some time. Hope I will not be bombarded. God bless me. Yeah, I've opened the chat. So how many of you are doing business for more than 1 month but do not have international card? Right. Anyway, so I'm seeing so many people. I'm surprised. Anyway, so many people. Hope all of you are more than 1 month old in the system. I'm not talking about the new people because see, the right now lock-in period is there. I'm not talking about the new people, but I'm talking about the people who are more than 1 month. And I'm saying those people who are doing this business for more than 1 month and do not have international card, this shows you are not serious. I don't want to name it, but you are not serious about this business. You are not serious. It is like that you want to go on war, but you do not want to keep the weapon. That's it. This is how it is. If you do not have international card, you should not do global business. You should not do international business, right? On the day of joining, when you were not knowing about it, and then you joined, okay, your sponsor helped you, fine. But what about that? This is your business, right? You should be ready with that. It's more than 1 month and you don't even have your international card, right? Please don't give me bank name and all those kind of things. International card, all the government banks don't allow. SBI allow, but SBI keep restricted. So you have to go and give them a written statement, written letter that I take the responsibility, then only they will activate. Otherwise, SBI will not activate. But all private banks, for example, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, IDFC, Yes Bank, Axis Bank, Citibank, HSBC, all these banks, IDBI, all these banks have international payment. You got it? DBS, all these banks have the international payment. So these banks you can check. Yes, somebody written Kotak 811 definitely is best because zero balance and all those kind of things. So all these banks have international card. If you're not having international card, you are not serious about this business. It's very simple. It's very clear. You got it? It's a basic thing. If you want to do international business, you need to have international card. This is basic. Okay. Hope it is clear. Let me switch off the chat now. So mandatory to have international card. What is international card? It should be not necessarily credit card. You can have debit, Visa or Master with online international. You can say, sir, my RuPay card is international, global card. Yes, it is. But it is for physical transaction. Being a global international card doesn't mean that online international payment is activated. You got it? It's different. Being international card means you go physically You go abroad and swipe, that is different. All right. So Visa or Master with online international payment. Simple way you can check with your bank. You can tell the bank that will I be able to use my card for PayPal payment. Every bank know about PayPal. You understand? So will I be able to make the payment on PayPal? Right? You can also open your PayPal account, like PayPal in your PayPal account. Connect the card. By connecting the card itself, PayPal will tell you the card is supporting or not. You got it? If the card is not supporting, international is not activated. So PayPal, it should support. Got it? That's called international card. So number one, mandatory things, you must have international card. All right? No alternative of it. No alternative of it. Okay? The second thing is, let's talk about domestic payment. And when I say domestic, let me tell about India first, but I'm sure some of you are from different country as well. So let me tell you about India, and then other country, it is almost same. All right. Only the name might be different. So you need to understand. So domestic payment. Now, first need to understand the business. $25 1UP. The business is like this, that you can do this business globally. You can sell your customer to anywhere. But the reason behind kept as direct payment from the customer, because in all other platforms, people face difficulties in withdrawing the commission. Because if suppose they keep PayPals are not available in different country. There is no particular system which is available in every country. But when this $25 1UP system, they wanted to reach to every country, especially to those countries where these opportunities are not reaching, right? They wanted to keep the system in such a way simple that the people do not have to depend on withdrawing the commission. And that's why this one-to-one payment option given. All right. So why it is, so that's why you can understand, especially those countries like Nigeria, countries like Pakistan, countries like Bangladesh, countries like Nepal, where this PayPal is not available. You can understand that more than 60%, 70% of the opportunities do not reach to these countries. They cannot do because they don't have PayPal. You understand? Those countries, you can understand how much potential you have for this business. All right. I'm talking about the people who are from those countries. I'm not talking about people from India. I'm talking to those people who are from those countries. So if you are from Nigeria, rather than crying about that I'm not getting international payment, do this business in Nigeria. You understand? If you are in somewhere in East African country where you don't have this PayPal, do in your country. You have huge potential in your country itself. I'm talking about the same thing to the people who are in Sri Lanka, people who are in Pakistan, people who are in Nepal, same thing. You can't even imagine how much big potential you have in your country itself, where the payment is very smooth. You don't have to wait for international payment. Got it? It's very clear. So same applies to domestic payment in India as well. So if you have your customer in India, like in your own country, domestic payment, you have multiple options, right? What are the options you have? You have so many wallets, isn't it? You have so many wallets, like you have Paytm, Google Pay, all those things in India, right? Like that. Same way you have everywhere. Like in Pakistan, you have Jazz Cash, right? Jazz Card or Jazz Cash? Jazz Cash, Easy Paisa, something like this you have. And same applies to every country. In every country, even in Nigeria, you will have some mobile wallet to get the money very easily. So all the wallets you can use for, what do you say? Getting the domestic payment, all wallets. All right. Then apart from all the wallets in India, I don't know about other country, but in India, we have very good something called Bheem UPI, the UPI which we have, UPI transaction, which gets immediate credit. So this is especially for India, I'm talking about wallets for everyone. This particular I'm talking about for India. I don't know about these other countries. So in India, we have UPI, like we have PhonePe, Bheem UPI, and any other wallet also can be used. Even from bank to UPI can be done, which goes in seconds, get credited. You can do that. The third option you have is bank transfer. If they say, no, I don't have a UPI. If UPI works only if the person has connected the Aadhaar card, then only UPI get activated. So Aadhaar card is mandatory, and also, what do you say? That contact number, the mobile number should match. The registered number of that bank and registered number of the wallet should match. Then only UPI works. So all those criteria is there, but if it is matching, it's working for you, fine. But there are some people who say, I don't have UPI. I don't have this wallet, I don't use Google Pay, Paytm, all those things. So you can take the payment in bank transfer also, like NEFT or IMPS, online bank transfer, mobile banking, net banking, whatever, NEFT or IMPS. So these are the, like in other country it is called as wire transfer, okay, wire payment. So in other country it is called as wire. In India it is called as NEFT and IMPS. So all right, so these are the options you have for domestic payment. But after taking the payment, once you activate the account, please guide your lead. Okay, so far you didn't have the card, I help you. But to do the business, you need the card. Please arrange it as quickly as possible. Open an account. You can open zero balance account also, and you can get the card. So please open an account in the bank where you can get international card, and please open it, because this is mandatory. Tomorrow your leads will not have. Today I have the card, you didn't have the international card. You transfer the money to me and I'm making the payment for you, right? So that way you should do that. So those things you should help. Please guide your team members if they don't have the international card. All right, so these are the options you can get the payment, domestic payment. This is how you can get. Hope it's clear. If you have any questions so far for domestic payment, just type Q. No other question right now. When we get into question and answer session, that time only you can ask questions. So right now, if you have any queries about domestic payment alone, please type Q and I will unmute your mic, or you can type your questions in the chat box also. Only about domestic payment. If you have any questions, any queries. Yes, Maya Islam. When somebody asks question, you should also raise hand so that I don't have to search here. It goes. Yes. Yes, Maya Islam, I have unmuted. You can ask your question.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Please tell me.
सर बात ये थी सर, अभी जो एक मेरी बांग्लादेश से बात हुई थी एक बंदे से सर.
बोलिए. हेलो
सर मेरी बांग्लादेश से एक बात हुई थी एक बंदे से, बांग्लादेश का है सर. तो सर यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में तो जेस कैश और इजी पैसा चलता है, तो वहाँ पे सर और चीजें बता रहा था ना सर. फिर मैं उसको सर मैंने ग्रुप में बता.
1 सेकंड, मैंने अभी बोला कि डोमेस्टिक पेमेंट से रिलेटेड अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए. अभी मैं इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट पे आया ही नहीं हूँ. मैंने अभी क्लियरली बोला कि अगर आपको डोमेस्टिक पेमेंट से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछिए. इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट तो अभी मैं आया ही नहीं हूँ.
ठीक है सर, फिर इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट में सर पूछ सकते हो.
थैंक यू. Any other question regarding domestic payment so far? Then if not, I move to international payment. Okay, so I'm moving to international payment now. All right. What are the option international payment? Now I see so many messages, people talking about their local wallets. Like for example, just now you heard, right? मेरे country में ये है. आपके कंट्री में जो है वो सेम चीज हर कंट्री में नहीं होता. मेरे कंट्री में गूगल पे है, मैं जाके दूसरे कंट्री को नहीं बोल सकता कि आप गूगल पे भेजिए मुझे. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. मेनी पीपल से आई कैन ओनली डू व्हाट यू से बैंक ट्रांसफर. कैन यू गेट इन बैंक ट्रांसफर? इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. If people can start sending money to each other through bank transfer so easily, then what government will do? How the government will come to know what transaction is happening? You got it? So it's bank transfer cannot work like that. Please keep in mind, right? So this is why the systems are created. So first thing, understand that no bank transfer when you talk about international payment. You cannot get bank transfer. It's very, very simple, clear. International payment, I'm coming to that. Okay, no bank transfer. First thing, understand, no bank transfer. All right. Then what are the options? No bank transfer. Also, no local wallet. Don't tell me in my country this wallet is there. For example, in my country, Paytm is there, Google Pay is there, Phone Pay is there. Can I get the through this to from any other country? Don't say. In Pakistan, Jazz Cash is there. Can I get from other country? It's not possible. You understand? It's a domestic payment only for the domestic usage, only for that particular country. You got it? So no local wallet, no bank transfer. Very simple. It's done. Hope it's clear. All right. Then what are the options? What options you have? The first and the best option is PayPal. This is the first option. All right. Everybody in your country, if PayPal is available, in your country, you must have PayPal account. It's mandatory. Whatever I'm telling you here is mandatory. You must have PayPal account, preferably business account. If not, individual account is also okay, right? While creating the account in PayPal, do not mention that you are going for affiliate marketing. Mention you are a freelancer, you are a digital marketer, something like that. Okay, you are a freelancer, digital marketer. Do not mention the business criteria details. I'm affiliate marketing or doing this. Do not do that. Hope it's very clear. So PayPal, you should do. Let me write. Don't mention about affiliate marketing. All right. If you have PayPal for any other business, same PayPal can be used for multiple businesses also. You got it? One person cannot have multiple PayPal account. It's clear. So PayPal account. Those people who are creating new PayPal account, they think that once, just because they have created the account like wallet, they have gone and registered in online, given the registration done, they think I have PayPal account. It's not that. What should be? Bank connection should be completed. Means bank validated. How this bank get validated? Once you connect your bank, suppose somebody makes the payment to you in PayPal, then PayPal should transfer that money to you in your bank. For that, you have to connect your bank account details, and they send some small amount to your bank account, and you have to, that small amount you have to verify. So that's called validation. So bank should be validated and your KYC should be completed. After connection to the bank, you should speak to them, chat with them, customer support, and make sure that your KYC is completed. Once your KYC is completed, then only you can receive the money. To make the payment, it's very simple. Register, connect your card and make the payment. You don't need KYC, you don't need bank validation, all those things. But to receive the money, you need this, okay? Those country where the PayPal is available. The country like Nigeria, all right? Where the PayPal is available only to make payment and not to receive money. So if suppose you are in India and your customer is in Nigeria, he can still send you money by PayPal. He can still send you. He cannot receive it. Hope it's clear. Okay. So you should you can go to the PayPal website, search the country. You will come to know what are the countries where PayPal is available. Okay. So hope it's clear. PayPal, everybody should be bank validated and KYC completed. That's the first and the best option. So if you have your customers in those countries where PayPal is available, close your eyes, don't ask for any other option. Make sure he's sending payment through PayPal. You got it? If he says he doesn't have PayPal, tell him to create it. It takes 5 minutes. To make the payment, it takes 5 minutes to create account. He just have to connect the card. He will say, I don't have card. Card is the basic mandatory thing to do any online business. Whatever the payment option I'm going to give you right now, if he doesn't have card, it's not going to work. As I have already told you in starting also, international card is the most basic mandatory things for doing online business, right? You can't say that I want to go to war, but I will not hold weapon. You can't say like that. You got it? So if somebody is saying showing interest that I want to do online business, he has to arrange international card. It's mandatory. You got it? Then the second option after PayPal, okay? So after PayPal, the globally payment solution which is accepted is the Stripe. It's available in India also. You can go to stripe.com account and you can create your account, connect your bank. In India, it is a 5 minutes process, 10 minutes process. You all can do that. Anybody can do that. In India, it is just 5 minutes process. All right. So if you do not have account, you can, right now it's coming to me dashboard because mine is already logged in. That's why. Otherwise you can create account. It will come here. Let me log out and I'll show you. I have signed out and now I go to stripe.com. So this is again available in many countries. It is available, Stripe. All right, you can check that. So you can create this account. So you have, yeah, start now. You can create on a start now and create. Already my account is there. I have already created the account. So you have to register by giving certain details of yours, ID proof, address proof, and your bank account details you have to connect. All right. And your account will be active in 10 minutes. You can create your account. Not ID proof, I mean to say ID details, your details, personal details, and your address details, all those things you have to key in and then register. Okay. So like this, you can create. So this is my dashboard where I get the payment, international payment I get here. Okay. So Stripe can be used for domestic as well as international. So let me put this in domestic also. Like some people will tell you, see all these things which I told you, they should have ready cash in their account. Then only wallets will work. If he has the wallet balance or bank account balance he has, means it's a ready cash. UPI is also ready cash, bank transfer also UPI. What if he tells you, no, I have credit card. All right, if I have credit card, I can only make the payment by card, credit card. Then how to do that? So for that, you have option like Stripe. There are other options also, which I have not registered, but you can definitely explore the options like InstaMojo and Razorpay, right? Razorpay. In India, I'm talking about. This is in India, but so same way it is applied to other country also. You will have some domestic card payment solution. So you can use that. So in India, Stripe is many countries it's available, so you can use. So this is one option. You have a Stripe for domestic payment also. So if somebody tells me, even he's from India, he wants to use credit card to make the payment, I can still make the invoice in a Stripe and get it done. But a Stripe, in other countries, it is very simple. But in India, right now, a Stripe can be used only for INR payment, not for international payment. For international payment, you must have IEC code. What is IEC code? Import and export code. If you have import and export code, then only you can get foreign currency payment. Otherwise, only INR. Okay. So, right. So let's get back here. So domestic payment for credit card payment also, you can use a Stripe. And what are the other options I told you? InstaMojo. And then you also have, I think I don't know whether my spelling is correct, Rosa. Let me check. Razorpay, sorry. I'm saying Razorpay. It's RAZOR. I have not used it, but you can definitely get it. I'm going to register actually, probably by tomorrow I will register. All right, so these are the options you have for credit card payment, and these things, these two, InstaMojo and Razorpay, I think they have their own wallets also, like not own wallets. Through this, they can make even Google Pay payment from the wallets, from the bank transfer, from the credit card, all those things they can use. So you can have just one. You don't have to give all these things. They can use UPI, everything they can do through InstaMojo. If suppose InstaMojo account you have, through InstaMojo, they can make payment through Paytm, Google Pay, credit card, debit card, bank transfer, net banking, everything they can do. You got it? So that's the advantage. So to have this, either of these two. Okay. So that is the thing. So this is in domestic. Then international, as I told you, Stripe. So how I told you, Stripe in other country, if you have, it's very simple. You can raise in foreign country. But if you're from India, okay, India, you can only raise only in INR. So even if my country is in my customer is in Pakistan, my customer is in Nigeria, my customer is in UK, my customer is in Bangladesh, Nepal, anywhere, doesn't matter. I will raise the invoice in INR. Suppose it is $100 into 75, 7,500 rupees. I raise invoice in INR. He will make the payment in his currency. He will make the payment for 7,500 Indian rupees, but amount will be debited from his account in his local currency. So this is like I'm collecting the payment in INR only. This I can do without IEC code. But if you want payment to be in USD or any other foreign currency, okay, to raise, you must have IEC code required for other currencies. So this is not required. I will not say right now, this is not recommended, no point. You can still have a Stripe account, and even for foreign customer, international customer, you can raise invoice in Indian rupees, in INR. Okay. Those who are in Pakistan, definitely Pakistan right now, Stripe is not available. Okay. Now, many people are also confused about Payoneer. Many people say, I have Payoneer account. Why can't I get the payment? Let me tell you, I write it here. No Payoneer. Why? Because Payoneer is used for institutional payment, not for individual payment. For example, somebody is in Pakistan, I'm in India, I cannot send the money in Payoneer. Payoneer is used only for institutional payment, only corporate payment. You got it? For example, you can take JVZoo commission in your Payoneer account. You can get Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus doesn't support Payoneer. You can get ClickBank. You can get Commission Junction. Like these kind of companies, any affiliate platform, right? Affiliate platform can give you commission. Company can give you your commission in your Payoneer account. Corporate payment is allowed, not individual payment. Hope it's clear. So many people are confused about this. This is not used. It is not like PayPal. Payoneer is completely different concept. It is not like PayPal. People think that it is alternate of PayPal. Alternate of PayPal, it can be used only for the corporate payments, not individual payment. Okay, so no Payoneer, please keep that in mind for this. Right. So here we are. So what are other options we have? We have another wallet, which is very much widely available in different countries, which is Skrill. This is online wallet. All right. This is Skrill, which is online wallet. So you can get your Skrill account. So this is my Skrill account. Simple, very simple, skrill.com, SKRILL, skrill.com. If you are in online business, you need to have all these options. You should be ready. All right. You cannot say, I don't have this. I see people who are doing business for 3 months, 2 months also, and they're saying, I don't have PayPal. I don't have a Stripe. Why you don't have? Why you don't have a Stripe? Why you don't have Skrill? You can't give excuses. You got it? Now see, this is the Skrill account. Now Skrill can be used to receive money and to send money. Now there are two things in Skrill. Skrill to Skrill and Skrill money transfer. If you do Skrill money transfer, means send to anybody's bank account anywhere. You understand? It means it will directly take money from your bank account and send to somebody's Skrill, and there you can get, the charges are very high. It will almost 10%, 15%. You understand? So please do not use this Skrill money transfer. Always use Skrill to Skrill. Means you should have balance in your Skrill and transfer to somebody's Skrill account. It takes only 1%. You got it? You adding money is 1%, then sending money to someone is 1%, he withdrawing 1%. So total transaction is 3%. That's it. You got it? So please do not send bank transfer, this money transfer. Use only Skrill to Skrill. But to use Skrill to Skrill, you must have Skrill balance. So how to do that? You have to add money to your account. You got it? To your Skrill account, you have to add money. So here you have, okay, from credit card or debit card, it's take 2.5%. You can use credit card or international debit card to add money to your Skrill account. It takes 2.5%. In India, these are the other options. UPI, 2.5%, Bitcoin. Same way in your country, it will show your option. You understand? So it's taking 0.5%, AstroPay, net banking 2.5%. So all these options you have in your country, it will show to deposit the money to your Skrill. Once you deposit the money to your Skrill, it takes 1% only to transfer from one Skrill to another Skrill. So suppose you are sending somebody $50, it will take 50.5 from your balance. You got it? That's how it is. So you should do Skrill to Skrill. You got it? This is very widely accepted in many countries. So this is alternate you have, but always go for the first option, PayPal, then go for a Stripe, then go for a Skrill, because Skrill is costly. It charges a lot of money. So that is the thing. So this is how you can raise, you can take international payment from different countries. All right. So now I can take the question answer. If you have any question, few questions are already there. First, let me answer before I open the chat account. Yes. Okay, good. Somebody has mentioned Western Union. Not very easily acceptable. All right. But you can use. People have to go to Western Union. I think now online is also done. I have never used, but this option is available. In your country, you can contact Western Union. In between, sometime it was not banned. It was blocked in India for some period. I think again now it is open. So it depends. So suppose, for example, you are taking payment from, let's say, some country. Let's say it's Kenya. So the person who's going to make the payment, he has to Google Western Union branch in his country. He has to contact them and check whether I have to send money to India to one person. Can I send or not? So Western Union will tell that this country right now it's possible or not. And even if it is possible, for example, when it was working for India, if it doesn't support every bank. So they will say in India, they should have these banks account. It doesn't support every bank. So they will tell these banks should be there. So if these banks there, they will show. So this is also option you can use as a last option, Western Union. This can be as a last option. And like Western Union, there are a couple of other exchange also. If Western Union is not available, there are a couple other exchange services which can help you exchange, money transfer exchange. There are a couple of other exchange. If you Google, you'll find it. But this all will take time. It cannot done immediately. What I'm talking about, these all is immediately payment. Okay. So Payoneer, PayPal have already explained about this, but I tried to pay while registering. It is not showing Google Pay and Phone Pay. No, it will not show in the platform. Again, I'm telling you, the platform is a US based company. So it's international payments. How will they accept Google Pay and Phone Pay? They can only accept international payment, only by card. Any platform, any international platform, it's only card payment is the option. Direct payment, only card payment. I'm talking about package payment. When you collect the money for gold and platinum, when you take the money from your customer, $10 hosting they will make through card. There is no other alternate. Even now, Bitcoin is not there. In a starting, Bitcoin was there, but now Bitcoin option is also removed. So card payment is only option you have to make the hosting payment. After that, you need the payment from your customer for gold and platinum package, right? So that gold and platinum package, I'm giving you all this payment solution. Hope it's clear. इनसे पूछिए कि साहब ने कैसे पे किया, इनसे पूछिए, इनसे पूछ कि नहीं साहब ने कैसे पे किया. Means I did not understand, Neeraj. Pakistan में नहीं है PayPal. Yes, I know. All right. So now that's all I wanted to talk about the payment solution. If I have missed something, you people can tell me. Now the floor is open for question and answer. You can ask. First, let's stick to the topic. All right. So first, let's stick to the topic related to payment solution. Ask question only related to that. After that, we will address other queries. All right. Yes, please ask your question. Adarsh Pandey. Yes, Adarsh, I have unmuted you. You can ask your question.
सर मुझे पूछना था कि मुझे एक कुवैत से या नेपाल से पेमेंट लेना है। तो सर जैसा कि कुवैत या दुबई में कोई जाता है तो वहां से लोग डायरेक्ट बैंक में पैसा ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं। सर डायरेक्ट बैंक में पैसा ले सकते हैं क्या वहां से?
It means suppose he is Indian and he is in Kuwait right now.
इंडियन सर, इंडियन।
He is Indian, he is in Kuwait right now, so he is transferring to your bank. Yeah, he can do. He'll be having
Okay,
NRI account, no? So that's why he can send it. Why not?
ओके सर। और एक सर क्वेश्चन था सर, नेपाल से लेना है तो पेपैल सर, मतलब पेपैल से अगर मुझे पेमेंट किसी भी कंट्री से लेना है तो मैं पेमेंट ले सकता हूँ ना?
Yeah, why not? You can take.
एनी कंट्री?
No, you are in India, right?
यस सर।
Okay. You can take, if suppose they can make the payments, some people, some country, even in Pakistan, even in Nepal, even in Bangladesh, even in Sri Lanka, though the PayPal is not available, but they are getting some PayPal. Suppose somebody went to US and then he created the account and he's still using it. So they are getting, some people having PayPal account. All right. So if you are getting it, fine. What is the problem? If he is making it, no problem.
No sir, I want to ask sir कि नेपाल से सर मुझे पेमेंट लेना है तो सर क्या तरीका क्या है?
So if he is having PayPal, that is the best option. Second best option is there. One second. Yeah, I know in PayPal is in country PayPal is not available. So Skrill is the option. Or you have the Stripe, which I told you. If you are in India, after PayPal, the best solution you have is Stripe. He should have international card. Now don't tell me he doesn't have international card. That we cannot accept. If he doesn't have international card, his friends will be having, his relatives will be having, somebody will definitely have. And if somebody is telling you, if somebody is saying no, nobody has international card, that means he's not interested in the business. You understand? If he tells you my brother, my friend, my relative, no one is having international card, without even checking, he's telling you, that means he's not interested in the business. So you can raise the invoice in Stripe, in INR, which I have explained just now, and you can take the payment. Simple. Stripe.
Okay,
if that is also not working, then you should, Skrill should work. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Maya Islam again. Yes, Maya Islam, you can ask your question.
सर मैंने आपसे पहले सर पूछा था कि मतलब एक बांग्लादेश का लड़का है सर, वो मुझे पायनियर से पे करे, हालांकि सर पाकिस्तान में तो पायनियर अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो सर फिर मैं क्या करूं?
पाकिस्तान में पायनियर अवेलेबल है, बट पायनियर से पेमेंट नहीं कर सकता। मैंने आपको बताया, अभी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन किया कि पायनियर इंडिविजुअल पेमेंट के लिए यूज नहीं हो सकता। पायनियर वेरी मच अवेलेबल इन पाकिस्तान, बट एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड पायनियर इज अवेलेबल ओनली फॉर कॉर्पोरेट पेमेंट, नॉट फॉर इंडिविजुअल पेमेंट। सो पायनियर पाकिस्तान में है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है, लेकिन वो इस इंडिविजुअल पेमेंट के लिए नहीं। जस्ट नाउ मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया आपको। अब आगे बोलिए।
सर फिर मैं उससे कैसे पेमेंट ले सकता हूँ सर?
स्क्रिल से पेमेंट लीजिए, मैंने आपको बोला स्क्रिल पेमेंट अकाउंट।
सर वहाँ पे बांग्लादेश में सर काम करेगा, मतलब सर रिसीव्ड और सर डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं वहाँ से?
अभी आपको उससे सिर्फ लेना है ना पैसा।
यस सर।
तो बस स्किल इज वर्किंग एवरीवेयर।
सर वो मैंने सर उससे कहा था कि मतलब बैंक अगर डिपॉजिट करें या स्क्रिल से करें, सर वो कह रहा था कि पायनियर से। सर फिर मैंने कहा पायनियर का यहाँ पे कोई सोल्यूशन वगैरह मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा ना पाकिस्तान में।
आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है, आप ये बताइए।
सर मैं उससे ये कह रहा था कि मतलब यहाँ पे सर जो मतलब रिसीव तो कर सकते हैं, मतलब ये जो पायनियर के हैं सिर्फ जो इंडिविजुअल तौर पर यूज हम नहीं कर सकते पाकिस्तान में सर। सर वो कहता कि मैं पायनियर से करूंगा। सर फिर मैंने कहा यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में तो इंडिविजुअल तौर पर पायनियर यूज नहीं
यहाँ
होता।
पाकिस्तान में नहीं, एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड वो नहीं कर सकता पायनियर से पेमेंट। उसको नहीं पता है पायनियर से पेमेंट नहीं होता, इंडिविजुअल पेमेंट।
सर फिर मैं उसे सिर्फ स्क्रिल का कह दूं?
स्क्रिल का ही ऑप्शन है, दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू।
ठीक है सर, कोई और ऑप्शन तो नहीं है क्योंकि पेपाल तो काम नहीं,
कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है, कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है। तो इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूं कि आप वैसे कंट्रीज पे फोकस कीजिए जहां से आपको पेमेंट इजीली मिले। आप लोग ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, अननेसेसरी टाइम ऑन दोस कंट्रीज जहां से पेमेंट प्रॉब्लम होता है। यू अंडरस्टैंड? आप अपना डिसाइड कीजिए कि मुझे कहां से पेमेंट क्लियरली, आप मेरे कंट्री में इजीली कहां से पेमेंट आ सकता है, हम कहां से पेमेंट कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, Focus only on those countries rather than doing to everywhere. There is no point of doing everything and wasting so much time. See, one person is ready to give you payment. That means how many people in that country you would have already spoken so far? How much time you would have already wasted? There is no point of wasting so much time. I always see you have so much potential in Pakistan itself, and there are other countries where you can get payment very easily. So focus only on that. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Pritam has asked question. I have a prospect in Nigeria. He has debit card. How can I receive payment from him? So same question I'm explaining again and again. If somebody is in Nigeria, he can make payment through PayPal. PayPal is available. Please tell me regarding invoice process in PayPal and Stripe. Okay, so this is the valid question. All right. Otherwise, all questions I'm getting what I have already explained. All right. So let me get into how to raise invoice in PayPal and Stripe. So let me get into PayPal first. So to raise invoice in PayPal, you should have PayPal business account. In individual account, they don't allow invoicing, but still you can send payment request. Why we are talking about invoice? Because PayPal has buyer protection policy. Means if suppose I am making a payment and I'm not happy with the product or service, I can raise complaint to PayPal and ask for refund. As per the $25 one-up policy, they have a strict no refund policy. Strict no refund policy, right? In $25 one-up. So that's why it's better to raise invoice and write the terms that it's non-refundable. So tomorrow you will be safe. Otherwise, they can raise the issue in PayPal. You got it? That is why. Otherwise, there is no problem in getting the payment directly without invoice also. You can take the payment directly without invoice. You understand? Only thing when somebody making the payment, for example, I want to make payment. Okay. So I go there. Where is that option to make payment? I hardly make payment from PayPal, so I don't even know. I think money. Yeah, I think it will be in money. Send a request payment here. So if I'm making payment to anyone, for example, send payment to anyone. Let's say I put here to somebody. I will put the amount and then it will ask for what you are making the payment. You understand? There, they should not mention affiliate marketing or $25 one-up. That's the only thing you have to take care of. So you can take the payment directly also. But still, I tell you, buyer protection risk is there. So that's why it's better to raise invoice. So when you raise invoice, you go to tools. Only business account is possible. And in tools, you have invoicing. It's very simple. Go to invoice, create an invoice here. These are like invoice which I've already raised. Go to create invoice. That's it. And type your PayPal, the customer PayPal address here, and you can type here whatever the amount. It's very simple. And you can preview and send. It's very simple. It doesn't require, only you have to type PayPal account to whom you want to send, and you can preview and you can send it. It will go to his PayPal account. Got it? So this is how you can. So, but what you can do only in this terms and condition, you can see here terms and condition, write in block letter non-refundable. So tomorrow when they raise question to PayPal, PayPal will say, no, the terms and condition was already mentioned that it's non-refundable. So you cannot ask for refund. That is why we are asking to raise invoice. So in terms and condition, while raising the invoice, you can mention non-refundable. That's the process of raising invoice. Hope it's clear. Now in a Stripe, okay, those who are in India, as I told you, you can only raise invoice in INR. So what you can do in your Stripe account, in the left side menu, you have billings. Go to billings, and then you have option invoices. Go to invoices. You will get all the invoices which are raised, and then you have new. Create on new. You can select the customer which already you have, or you can create a new customer. You can create the new customer by typing the details. You got it? For example, whatever the new customer you can create. Let's say, for example, I do this. Okay. And then type. Again, I will say, do not mention affiliate marketing or $25 one-up. It's better just write, like, for example, I'm giving platinum. So I will write platinum consulting and raise invoice only in INR if you're in India. Okay. So let's say for platinum $100, I'm going to raise so 7,500 rupees. Okay. Now this is 7,500 rupees done. I will click on send invoice. It will come like this, automatically email address, invoice is raised. I will just click send invoice. It will go. It's so simple. Once it is done, it will show like this. Again, if I go in invoices, it will show here pending, paid, all those things, whatever you invoice you raise, it will show here. Once amount is paid, you will get into home page. The alert you will get, the payment is done. That's how you get. Right? In a Stripe, once you get the payment, it takes around 10 days to get in the bank account. That's the only problem. But see, once you get the payment, you get the alert here. See, for example, my 24,000 is here right now. They will make the payment. So when they will make the payment, from the payment date, it takes around 10 days. But the day they tell you, exact on the same day, you will get the credit. So if somebody makes the payment, you get the alert. In a Stripe, it came. That's it. You can go and approve. You don't have to wait for the money to come to your bank account. After 10 days, anyway, you'll get. So I was like, I have this, like my payments are scheduled. Some payment will come tomorrow. Some payment will come after 13, on 13th, 15th, 16th, like that, whenever I get the payment accordingly. So that's how it is. Hope it's clear. A lot of questions are there. So I'm just holding the chat as of now. So hope it's clear. I have shown you how to create an invoice in PayPal and Stripe. PayPal business account chalega. Yes, chalega. PayPal business account. Unless, sir, InstaMojo and Razorpay have a wait time for payout about a week. So isn't it unsafe? What is unsafe in that? You got the money in your gateway. It's done. What is unsafe in this? You got it? There's nothing unsafe. Like in a Stripe also, I'm getting after 10 days. There's nothing unsafe. You can, when you raise the invoice, when you raise the request, put it like it's non-refundable. That's it. You put it non-refundable. There is nothing problem in that. What will be the minimum balance to add in the Skrill account? I don't know if there is any minimum balance. I don't think $5, $10, anything you can do. There is no minimum balance. I don't think there is any minimum balance. For Nepal, you can contact me. Okay, so somebody we have solution you can get from PayPal, Nepal solution. You can contact Hira for the solution. Please contact me also if you have something better solution. Please send me a private message, Hira. If you have solution, please help me also. Sudhindra Kulkarni, how can I withdraw from a Stripe account? You don't have to withdraw. To receive the money, anyway, you have connected the bank account automatically on the day. They show you, like I told you, right, in balance, those show that when you will get the payment, automatically it goes, you don't have to withdraw. It's a automatic settlement. So automatically it goes there. On the date, it will mention which day it will go. That payment, particular payment. सर जी आज की रिकॉर्डिंग मुझे भेज दीजिएगा. रिकॉर्डिंग मैं किसी को इंडिविजुअली नहीं भेजता, मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. जो ऑनलाइन जो कोर्स है उसमें अपलोड हो जाएगा. सर पेपाल में पर्सनल अकाउंट खोलने से पेपाल अकाउंट से बैंक में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं क्या? हाँ कर सकते हैं. इंडिविजुअल अकाउंट अभी आप खोल सकते हैं, पर्सनल अकाउंट, उसमें भी आप बैंक अकाउंट कनेक्ट करके आप बैंक में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं पैसा. Sir, how can I receive payment from Pakistan? Kavita, if you are in India, I have told you Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Nigeria, any country, you can get it in a Stripe. Please create a Stripe account, raise invoice in INR, which I shown you right now, and get the payment. It's very simple. For accept, if he's telling you I don't have international card, ask him to arrange. You understand? If he cannot arrange, he is not interested. If he wants to do business, he has to do. he can use card of his own or his friends or his relatives or his family members. And if he's telling nobody has, he's not interested. Very simple it is. According to domestic payment from credit card, debit card, we can use Paytm business account. I think so. Paytm business account. Yes, I have Paytm business account. I'm not sure whether credit card payment works there or not, but I think you can. If the customer doesn't have a card to pay $10 hosting fee, can I collect the money or can I use my own card to pay him? Is this advisable? Not the best way, but yes, you can. We all are doing actually. Yeah, Marcel Diaz, hi there. I have a PayPal account, but in here in what is that? Nicaragua, PayPal does not allow us to add bank account. Yes, to receive money. Do you know if can you zoom from PayPal to transfer money with no need bank account? It's not possible. Those countries where PayPal cannot allow you to add bank account, you cannot receive in PayPal. It's only to make the payment. That's why you can only connect card and you can do that. It's not possible. Sir, PayPal has too many reviews. How long it takes to approve the transaction? As of now, I am limited to raise invoice only. Can't receive or do any transaction. I moved to a Stripe, very simple process. PayPal is much simpler actually. You are not allowed to raise invoice, receive money, maybe because you have not completed KYC and bank account. So I did, I think around 4 or 5 years back, and it's simple, it's done. I don't think I have faced any problem at all. So I find the most simplest because PayPal, Stripe, it hold money for 10 days. When PayPal I get, immediately I withdraw, next day I get them in my bank account. So that's why I always prefer PayPal. And even it's easier for customer, right? PayPal is very simple. They just log in and they make the payment. So to make the payment also, PayPal is very simple. So PayPal, everybody finds comfortable. Those who are using PayPal, they like, even if I go and make any payment, for example, I'm purchasing anything. I purchase a lot of training courses online. So if I go and purchase and if I see two options to make card payment and PayPal, I always use PayPal. And that's how it's with everyone. So if you give PayPal option to your customers find this more comfortable if they have PayPal, right? But if you find comfortable in a Stripe, okay, fine, it's your choice. Sir, I have a MasterCard of SBI, so can I go to my bank and tell them to activate my international payment? Yes, you have to go to bank. You have to give a written statement, this thing, that because they are blocking it. So they can say, no, I want it. I want to make payment in PayPal. I want this to be activated. Then they will activate it. Except SBI, this option you don't have in any other government bank. So don't tell me I have Andhra Bank account. I have this Punjab National Bank account, Bank of India account. All those things will not work. Please understand that. So please send me today recording after the session. As I have said, the recording will be uploaded in the training course. The training, online training course which we have, in there it will be uploaded. We don't send individual recording. Gaurav Kumar, I'm still 16. I only have minor bank account. PayPal wants 18 plus, but I'm unable to open PayPal. Neither I can apply for international card since it's minor account. Parents will not give, and I'm doing it without my parents' knowledge. It because I know they would not allow me. So, what should I say to in this, right? Then you have to use somebody, your relatives or your friend's card who doesn't know your parents. I don't think I should comment like this. I should teach all these things. I'm teaching you what is required in business. Now it is individual cases. You please adjust by yourself. This is how it is. This is what required. Sir, how can we convert our international leads into sales? The way you convert your domestic thing, same thing. The way you do sales domestic customer, same way you have to do international customer. Nothing, no different. Is it mandatory to raise invoice in a Stripe skill to customer like PayPal? Is it mandatory to raise invoice in a Stripe or skill to the customer like PayPal? No. In a Stripe, yes, because without that you cannot get the international payment. INR you have to raise. Skrill you don't need. You just have to give your Skrill ID, that like how you give PayPal ID, email ID. Same way Skrill ID is also email ID only. Just have to give and they will make the payment. सर DBS बैंक में ट्रांसफर हो सकता है इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट? बैंक में इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट किसी भी बैंक में ट्रांसफर हो सकता है, डायरेक्टली नहीं होगा. I have given the gateways. बैंक में डायरेक्ट इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट ट्रांसफर नहीं होता. That's what I told you. किसी भी बैंक में नहीं होगा. उसके लिए पेपाल यूज करना पड़ेगा या स्ट्राइप यूज करना पड़ेगा, वहां से पेमेंट लेके, क्योंकि इंडियन बैंक्स डोंट अलाउ फॉरेन करेंसीज. You understand? Indian banks don't allow, it is RBI rule. Foreign currency is not allowed. So what PayPal does or what Stripe does, they take the foreign currency payment, converts into INR and credit to your bank account in INR. So your bank is happy because they're getting INR payment, not foreign currency. Hope it's clear. How can withdraw from Stripe? I've already answered. If the customer doesn't have a card to pay 10 hosting, can I collect the money? I've already answered. So I cannot talk about this, that your parents check account and then you will get caught and all those things. I don't think I have anything to comment on that. Please raise business question. What to mention in the business description while open a new account in Stripe? Whether you're opening account in PayPal, Stripe, Skrill, anywhere, put it yourself as digital marketer, digital marketing, consulting, put it like that. You got it? That's it. Sir, PayPal से पेमेंट कैसे कर सकते? Is there any similar payment method like Stripe? अब similar क्यों चाहिए? मैंने आपको बता दिया PayPal and Stripe, और similar क्यों चाहिए? Sir, can you show me simple sample invoice already done? Do we need to provide invoice for Indian payment also? Indian payment you don't need. Sujit Gaur, dear sir, if you see my message, please write yes or speak my name. I've already answered your question, sir. How can I get leads? Because right now I'm not getting any leads. So you have to do proper promotion to get the leads. You have to follow the process. Sir, I have individual PayPal account. So is this necessary to change my individual account to business account? If you want to raise the invoice in PayPal, you need to change to business. Then only you can raise invoice. Otherwise, you have risk of that non-refundable things. That's why it's better to move to business. You don't need anything. You don't need GST or something. You got it? So business name also, you can put your individual name only as a business name. So you don't need anything else. Do we need to raise invoice for getting? Sri Ram Sharma, no, for Google Pay and Paytm, why do we need invoice? You can just take that directly, just send the number and they will directly make the payment. All right, so now I'm open to any kind of questions. All right, I'm ready to take 4 to 5 questions. Sharp at 11:30, we will close it. All right, so I'm opening the chat. Yes, you can ask your question. Vishnu Prakash. Yes, Vishnu Prakash, I've unmuted you. You can ask your question. Are you there, Vishnu?
Can you hear me?
Yes, slowly. I can hear you now.
Yeah, okay. So I was saying in PayPal, hold balance section. So my funds are there. My balance, banks and all, it's linked and verified. So how to get it released from hold balance?
I didn't get it. On hold balance is there.
Yeah, I mean the funds that I receive in PayPal, it's going into hold funds.
Means you might have not completed the KYC.
My bank is verified.
Bank is verified. In PayPal, you have to do KYC. Have you uploaded the PayPal PAN card documents?
It's uploaded, but I don't know if it is.
No. So you contact the chat support, or you can even call them up in daytime working hours. They are available. Okay, you can even call them up and get the KYC completed. Since you are not aware, that means it's very simple. You have not completed KYC, right? So you have to complete your KYC. Once your KYC is completed, then only you can get the money, and do it quickly, because after a certain period of time, the on hold amount get returned.
Okay. Yeah.
You understand? So make sure that tomorrow you're completing the KYC. It's a 10 minutes work, 5 minutes work. Once KYC completed, you can withdraw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. So enough questions. I think we will reach 11:30. So I'm just closing the chat now. Sir, I get many leads. They say interested, but when I send details to product, they don't reply after seeing also. So either they're not interested, or the way you're sending the reply is not creating the interest, right? So that's it. Either they're not interested, or the way you're replying is not creating the interest. Or the third things, maybe that it's not a proper quality leads. It's just a junk leads. People who are not interested, like people who are, see, what happens, you try to sell to everyone, whoever sending you inquiries. Definitely these kind of things will happen. I validate my lead. I decide whether I should invest my time on this lead or not before proceeding further. So I ask about the leads. Like for example, if it's starting somebody saying I'm a student, I'm poor, I'm this thing, that thing, I don't even waste my time on that. I don't even respond. You got it? So first you need to have the quality leads. You need to check what they are doing. If you should think that they will invest this much amount or not. Don't ask, but you analyze and then proceed further. And the way you're saying, I'm sending messages, he's not responding. Maybe the way you're sending message is not this thing. You're not following the process. The draft should be ready. And the draft which I've given, if you're just as it is, you're copying, what will happen? Same draft he might have got from 3 to 4 different people. Oh, everybody is doing the same thing. He will not even respond. So draft is just for the format. You have to customize for yourself. It should be unique. Then only they will find something, okay, something new here. So they will check, right? So how do you create the interest to open the, many people say I'm sending video link, but they're not responding after watching that. How do you know they're not responding after watching that? It may happen that he has not seen the video itself. So to make him open the video, the message what you send, what is the message you send? That should you, if you create the interest, if somebody is interested, definitely he will respond. If he's not interested, he will not respond. Simple. So if somebody is not responding to me, I do a couple of follow-ups and after that I leave it. That's how it is. How can I invite my leads to the webinar? First, are you a gold member or platinum member? First, you have to write that, because the webinar is only for platinum and you are asking this. So I assume that you are not a platinum, you are a gold. You're not in our platinum group. So webinar is only for platinum. If you are a platinum member, then webinar details we always mention in our group. Sir, they asked, what is the product? So what is the product? If you have attended my training, which I've given, I have uploaded the notepad also. We have clearly explained what is the product, what message you should send. That also I've explained. I put in the notepad as the draft also in the training. It's very clearly mentioned. The product here is digital information. They are asking you, they are asking, and now you are asking. That means you don't know how to answer. You don't know what is the product, right? The product is digital information product. It's online training product. For example, if you want to do online business, how will you do? Can you do a business without learning? If you want to learn, you have to purchase the training program. That's the training program we are selling it. Hope it's clear. It's an online training program. That's the product which we are selling it. Hope it's clear, right? That's the product. GST is necessary for PayPal. GST is necessary for PayPal only if you want domestic payment. I use PayPal only for international. So I don't need GST. You understand? GST is only for domestic payment. You got it? So if you want India to India PayPal, then only GST required. Otherwise, it's not required. How to write FB post content in bold, italic, in different form of a style. So I saw your question in the group also. I think some people have already answered you. I don't know how to write from mobile. You mentioned in the post mobile. I don't know how to write from mobile, but for my computer, my laptop, desktop, I use a website which is called as Unitext converter, and this is the link. If you want, I'll put this link in the chat box. And here I can type anything and I can do, for example, Muhammad, I type anything and then it converts in multiple fonts. You can see here, bold, italic, so many fonts are there. I can just copy this and paste it wherever I want, in WhatsApp or in Facebook, anywhere I can do. So this is the things I use. This is the link. It is Unitext, Unicode text converter. It is link I'm sending you in the chat. So this is I use. Okay. Yes, I have used. Send the link in chat. You people can copy because chat will get closed. So copy it right now. So this is what I use for desktop. This is only used for desktop, not for mobile. How to write done? Then sir, ये saturate तो नहीं हो गया ना? क्या saturate हो गया मतलब? See, that is what I tell you. It's very easy to come to negative conclusion. कि I'm not getting sales because it is saturated. You are not getting sales because you are not doing the process properly. You understand? Saturated इतना जल्दी saturated हो जाएगा. You know what is the world population? You know how many people want to make money online? Come on. Don't come to, if you come to this negative conclusion, you will never be able to do the business. You understand? Every day, 40 to 50 people are joining in our team itself, right? I have alone myself, I have got 8 sales today. 8 sales I've got today. 8 sales. Saturate ho gaya itna jaldi. It's only 2 years old company. I new joined today. So how to do business? Can you please help? So that's why we have the training, Ganesh. You have to attend the training and then learn the business. It's not possible to teach you entire business in this question and answer session. Sir, क्या हम पाकिस्तान से पेमेंट लेने के लिए स्ट्राइप की जगह पेपाल यूज कर सकते हैं? जब पाकिस्तान में पेपाल है ही नहीं, अभी मैंने इतना बार बताया कि पाकिस्तान में पेपाल है ही नहीं, तो फिर कैसे कर सकते हैं? वहां लोग कैसे लोग करेंगे पेमेंट? आपके सिर्फ यूज करने से नहीं होता ना, जो आपको पेमेंट करने जा रहा है वो यूज कर पाएगा कि नहीं, वो भी तो इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. Arif, sir, this is Arif, feeling happy to be part of this session. Today is my first day. Right, Arif, welcome to the team. Janki Patel, sir, I need training videos. I'm new in this business. So, okay, so training videos, I told you, people were not following the process. And some people are getting training code again and again, they're asking. So I hold it in between 2 days back. And then I created a video. I have created the video to follow the process, how to get the training code and how to activate the account. And so that's why please ask your sponsor to get that video and follow that process. From yesterday, I have started sending the code again and I'm sending to a lot of people. Most probably by tonight, I will finish everything, which whatever pending so far, I will finish it. So everybody, whoever has sent me this thing will get it, provided they are following the process. Those who are not following the process will be delayed. It's very simple. All right. You need to follow the process. Then only you will get the things done. ITR भरते हुए क्या लिखें, कहां से आया इतना पैसा? You say product sales, reselling you have done. It's your resale business, training resale business you are doing. So this is what a resale business. You show that this is your income, right? As long as you're showing the income, nobody will ask you any question. If you don't show, then it is a problem. If you are showing it, it's not a problem. So promotion के लिए कौन सा most advanced method है? FB ads or Insta ads or Google ads or YouTube ads? None of these. All right. I do not go into ads. When I say ads, it means I'm talking about paid ads. None of this, right? Organic way we have to work. like how we are working, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything is important, right? You can promote everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, but no paid ads. Sir, I need training videos. I'm new to this business. Again, same thing. How can we get access to training videos? Same thing. Sir, I'm new. I need training videos. Superb. New, same thing. So that's it. Done. So I've already answered about the training videos. That's it. That's the questions, everything. So hope we're done. I can open 2 more questions, 11:25 now. 2 more questions only. Chat is open. Those who are writing can write or type Q. I will unmute you and address your queries. 2 more questions I can take. FB link required. What FB link? What FB link? I don't understand. No one. Okay. FB link. I don't know what FB link you're talking about. Sir, please ask for payment proof. Whose payment proof I should ask? Oh, you're saying the leads ask you payment proof. Show the payment proof of so many people we have in our team. Show that. Rahul, how to auto post my post in all groups of Facebook? Please do not do that. Your Facebook account will get blocked. See, we are only posting 4 to 5 posting a day, I'm telling. For that, do you need the auto post tools? Do you need that? 4 to 5 posts takes 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Creating content, even if you use auto post, it will be the same. After that, posting in 5 posts, it takes 2 minutes. Do you need auto post and get into trouble? Don't do all those things. Ashish profile. You mean to say my profile link you people are asking? Okay, let me give you my profile link. So my profile link is www.facebook.com/mohdayaz.online-wisdom. So that's my Facebook profile link. facebook.com/mohdayaz.online-wisdom. I've sent it. This is my Facebook profile link. Okay. All right then. So that's it. Thank you so much. We close it here, and the recording will be uploaded by tomorrow in the online course. Okay. So, okay. I just want to share that YouTube video to get the access code, how to get the coupon code and how to register. Online. Okay, so I'm sharing this YouTube video link, which everybody has to follow. When you get a new sales, you have to share this YouTube link to your team members. Also, all the new joiners, please take this. Okay, copy this right now, YouTube link, and paste it somewhere right now. This YouTube video link. This is the exact process. Teaches how to get the access code, like coupon code, and how to register. Because many people, I'm giving the coupon code, and then they're coming back and saying code is not working. It's not getting open. All those things, a lot of problems I get. If you follow this process, all these things will not happen. So you have to follow the process. So for that, I'm given the link of the video. It's 18 minutes video. 18 to 19 minutes. You can watch that video and you will learn. Then only you'll be able to follow the process. All right. So this video is mandatory. And whenever you get new sales also, you should share this with your new team member. All right. So that's it. That's it. We are done. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Have a wonderful night ahead. Wonderful day. Do good business. All the best for the business. And most importantly, be safe. Be at home. Take care of your family. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Wish you all the best. Thank you.